Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you along, I'm going to do a salt offering to the Mallqui spirits, which means tree spirits in Quechua. It's from the Peruvian shamanic tradition that I studied. Basically, if you're feeling like disconnected from your spirit, or if you have a lot of like unbalanced thoughts in your mind, that can help you kind of like get grounded and reconnect to your spirit. During a full moon, a lot of times it's good to do this as an offering, because obviously, as you know, full moons can be kind of crazy mental energy time. So I just wanted to teach you a little bit about that offering and what it's good for. And that's what I just decided I'm going to do for the full moon this time.